All right, welcome back to Geocaching with Harper. Today we are in Black Bay Park. Let's go ahead and check that out. We're at Black Bay Park and we are going to go look for the geocache, A Charming Place. So we will take a look here at the difficulty. It says it's a 2.0 out of 5. Terrain is a 1.5. We'll take a look at the description. Do have a hint here. My favorite clue, in the rocks. Well, you know what? That is by far one of my favorite clues as well. What do you think, Harper? You ready? All right. Let's go and take this walk. Go enjoy a little geocaching at Black Bay Park. Such a beautiful area. Okay, Harper, let's go ahead and stop and take a look at the Geo Compass just to make sure that we are going in the right direction. So we will pull out the Geo Compass. And it says we're about almost 400 feet this direction. So let's go ahead and continue on. It's just beautiful here at Black Bay Park. We have the bay of the lake coming up. Oh, that's wonderful. We got a canoer out there already early in the morning. Well, let's go ahead, Harper, and check our compass again. Okay, so, my compass is definitely moving. So, Harper, the compass is moving in that direction. And the hint on this geocache was in the rocks. So, as we come over here, you're definitely going to see that there is a stack of rocks up here and some rocks here. So, let's go take a look, Harper. Come on. Okay, well, we're definitely getting closer to in the rocks, so Let's pull out our handy dandy little Geo Compass and just kind of make sure that we are on the right trail here. So, oh, yep, we're within 60 feet, which right about 50 to 35 feet, I've noticed with my compasses collaboration, that usually tells me I'm about on top of it within that circle areas, the GPS ping. So let's go ahead and take a look then. They're saying it's in the rocks. Well, if I was a geocache and I wanted to be in the rocks, I'd definitely put myself somewhere right about here. Oh, what is that? That's exactly it. We found it in the rocks. So they weren't wrong. We got that morning sun on us. Look at that right there. I can't wait to sit down and enjoy my cup of coffee and write in the morning log here in the geocache. Let's go ahead and take this out. Harper, come here. We found it. Yeah, buddy. Come on. Let's go ahead and give this one a little open. And that's what I want there is the logbook. And we will go ahead and write in our morning log. And we will enjoy our morning coffee here at this beautiful location. What do you think, Harper? This is a good geo spot, huh? Yeah, good boy. So I definitely wanted to give a shout out to the owner of this geo spot. It's going to be a shout out to the Four Whites. Thank you very much for putting that geocache in that location. I really enjoyed my morning coffee here, looking over the lake. And Harper, of course, enjoyed the morning walk. So thank you again. And we are going to go ahead and finish off the trailhead here and show you guys a little bit of what's here. Let's go ahead and well, y'all have a beautiful day, and thank you, the Four Whites, for putting that Geo out here at Black Bay Park, located in good old Idaho. So that's where we're at, top point there of Idaho, and we'll zoom in. Spokane River, Black Bay Park. Get this little piece of heaven right here. This is Geocaching with Harper. You guys have a good day. Till next time.